know.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm playing with my brother.
Hi.
Let's go. Oh my god.
Yeah, we just
Okay.
got another play.
Yep. You are not in part of this video, but that's okay. What?
You are the
Okay.
secretary, so you're going to stay in there, but because there's no
I
place.
know already. Yep. Okay. Okay. Go. Go. Boom one. Close the door. What is Pro
There's no
doing
people.
there? It's because they are playing in their phone. Yeah, what? I have an internet. Yep, we know already. Okay. This is called Animal Hospital. Which means this is an animal. Okay? Room 2. Room 2 on the way.
Yeah.
Bruh. I swear there's 2 customers so I can like go out. Give me that yawn. Every you did yawn.
What are you doing here?
I'm helping. Can you see? Oh my god. Eye drops.
Goodbye.
Hey! Wait for me! Whoa! Catch. Yep. Hi, Mr. Harrow. Yep. We know this is strange, right? You even... What even are you? If you see my video, please subscribe to mine. So subscribe to me. Okay. I'm the best. Open it. Oh yeah. Hi everyone. That's the key.
Bing, there's some secret ending here. Look.
What the? Okay.
Coffee
Guys, you
just...
didn't just see it. If you guys have some coffee and then you give it to the anomaly that who want to break the window, it would calm down. I'm doing the job.
I saw that in YouTube.
What? What did you say?
Nothing.
I'm falling. Ow! Hey, I'm on the floor. What the?
What do you mean on the floor?
Yeah, I'm on the floor. Like you closed the door. Oh my gosh. Nope. Go away. Nope. Yep. We have no servants. Yep. Go leave. Who are you? Oh my gosh. Okay guys, my brother's like gonna be AFK.
I'm here.
Oh my gosh, no.
Get out.
Okay.
I'm fast.
You're not fast.
Let's go race then.
Yeah.
Come on, here.
No, no, no.
Let's go race.
No.
Come on.
Nope. Close the door. Close the door. Boom.
This is the last patient.
Why
I don't
so
know.
many anomalies? Tick the chicken sound. Tick the chicken. Nope. 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 Close the door. Ito yung CCTV.
I know. I don't think
Just
so.
watch this camera. Ah, what the? Who closed the door?
That's me.
Brr. Watch CCTV. Normal.
No, I'm fast. There's no people.
Why? What's the matter with them?
I miss my friends. The laughter.
Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow meow meow. Meow meow meow.
Come on, inside.
Meow 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 meow.
Come on, inside. I have wrong grammar.
What am I doing? Meow meow. Sapuna. Nanta no silenta. Not this again. What's this? Nakaro. Guys, I have something to show you. Okay, that's kind of cringe. I'm gonna buy this. Oh man, I'm broke. I'm broke.
Not anymore.
What the? How did you get so much money? My money was 83. Now it's 208. How?
Okay.
You're Richie.
I don't know.
Richie. Why did you close?
I think that last guy is.
Did the guy leave?
Yeah.
Oh man.
With the crush.
No. Yeah. Bro, what? This is really Roblox. Bro. Let me look at the picture. Why is the computer black? Room 8.
See, room 8. Is he a stalker?
Yep. This is the key. Right
In
there.
the slime.
Ew! Kuya, I'm pooping. See?
Me and this fairy pink are going to have something.
Ew.
It's a joke. This is a hospital. Remember?
Yeah. Why is the arm moving? Close the door. Yucky.
Antibiotics.
Yep.
Let's go.
Guys, I'm gonna end the video here since I always stop at 10. But let's try it. Okay. Tantaranta lo silenta tu inapundu sa tentu nantaranta lo silenta tu kirumanda video kirasoto nantaranta lo silenta tu inna tu dito. Someone is at room 5. Takaro. Tantaranta do silenta to
May
inapuso.
that's why dance wrong, okay?
Oh, okay.
Not the dance wrong.
Guys, I'm
Like,
gonna end the
like,
video here. Bye.